Today, we are going to walk through how your business can use and benefit from ActiveCampaign's Active Intelligence feature, which saves customers an average of 10 hours a week. We are going to show you how to build email campaigns 3 times faster, build a form in seconds, create dynamic automations, add custom instructions to tell Active Intelligence how you want to work with it, use always-on autonomous insights to improve those campaigns and automations, and compile data and reports, all with the help of Active Intelligence. We are going to be building this out through the lens of a marketer who works at a gym, who's using ActiveCampaign to create, promote, and sell membership packages to drop-in sessions. On that note, let's hop right into email campaigns. So let's add a prompt to create 2 separate campaigns. One is inviting athletes who have not yet registered for my 6-week program to register for a drop-in session. The second campaign is for adults who have expressed interest in my training, but have yet to purchase anything. The call to action is to purchase drop-in sessions. So as you can see, I put in quite a bit of detail into that prompt. And this is actually going to create 2 completely separate campaigns for us, sending to 2 completely separate audiences. But you could also keep this a lot more general. You could simply say, create me a sales campaign for my gym. Okay, excellent. As you can see here, with the help of Active Intelligence, using a really quick 3-sentence prompt, we have completely built out 2 separate campaigns for 2 separate audiences. This is what building campaigns 3 times faster actually looks like. You can see this one here is targeted at athletes, and this one here is targeted at adults. And from here, you can see that you have the option to review and send the email, send yourself a test email, or make any edits that you may need to in the Campaign Designer section. So we can take this a step further. We can actually use Active Intelligence to help us make these campaigns even better. So let's type in something like this. How can I make these emails even better? What are some best practices before I send? So Active Intelligence here is really amazing because not only can it help us create and build out those emails or those automations that we're looking to build, but it's also using data and pulling in information to help us make better decisions before these emails even go out. This will increase our open rates and is why ActiveCampaign customers see 30% higher click-through rates than a leading competitor. All right, so you can see here, these are some of the ways that Active Intelligence recommends we enhance these emails. So some very cool functionality to have all within ActiveCampaign here for us to use. Features like this are why 93% of our customers say ActiveCampaign's deliverability is better than the competition. Let's do one more thing before we discuss automations. Let's say, for example, as a marketer, I wanted to collect leads and get people in the door. I want to offer a complimentary training session and allow website visitors to book this session with me. So we need a form. I can actually have Active Intelligence create that form for me in seconds. I can just tell it to create a form that I can embed on my website that is inviting people to come in for a complimentary session. I call it a no sweat intro. I need to collect their name, email, and phone number. Now, how cool is that? No need for website developers, no need for code. Just with that quick, simple prompt, I was able to build a form, and now I'm ready to roll. Okay, it's finally time to talk about automations. If you aren't familiar with ActiveCampaign automations, basically what we're doing here is creating a journey or a series of events that will happen when a contact does a certain action. For example, when somebody submits a form like this one on my website, maybe I want them to receive an email right away and a text 2 days later. All of that can happen automatically for us with ActiveCampaign. With 45 automation triggers across 11 categories, our automations can handle just about any scenario, and Active Intelligence makes them easy to create. Let's walk through an example together with that same gym business in mind. Here, I'm going to prompt the Active Intelligence to create me a 5-email nurture automation triggered by no sweat intro form submission. Email 1 is a 50-50 A/B split welcome email, and the winner is resolved after 24 hours by open rate. Email 5 is a final conversion that includes a booking link and SMS follow-up and is only sent to engaged contacts. So again, I was pretty specific here in what I wanted. You don't have to be that specific. You could just say, create me a win-back campaign or create me a lead nurture automation. And Active Intelligence will do that for you as well. So it's really up to you how specific you want to be here. And this will allow the automation to give you a really good starting point in Foundation. Then you can go in and make any edits that you may need. And there you have it. Within moments, Active Intelligence has given you an incredible foundation for this automation. You'll see that we can take a quick look at the automation here, and then we can review it in more detail by clicking up here. We can make edits to it, and we can add any additional steps that you may need. Something also to note is that Active Intelligence didn't just create the steps in this automation. It also built out these emails for us as well. So you can come in and check out the emails, maybe tweak the copy, tweak the imagery if you need to, or you can just set it to active in the upper right and you are ready to go. This is also a great opportunity to plug our integrations and our App Studio. So in this example, let's just say if someone did make a purchase, maybe we want them to be pulled out of this automation, right? If they made a purchase, we don't necessarily want them to continue to get emails encouraging them to make a purchase. So what we could do is use something like this, a jump to action, and we could have this checking to see if a purchase has been made. So this is just another example of how ActiveCampaign can really help marketers influence that customer experience and bring a lot of data into ActiveCampaign. So I've integrated Stripe and have an account set up here. Basically, what this will do is if a contact were to make a purchase in my Stripe account, it would pull them out of this automation so that they stop getting those sales emails. So just another thing to consider is bringing all of your tech stack into ActiveCampaign and letting our automations really customize what that user experience looks like. You'll also notice now that while we're here in the automation, Active Intelligence did not abandon us. It's still with us over here on the sidebar. So we can ask this for feedback, for advice, how to make it better, all within the sidebar experience over here. We really have found that people come to ActiveCampaign largely for these automation capabilities. So having Active Intelligence be able to create and influence our automations has made adopting ActiveCampaign even easier for our users. AI is most effective for your business when it knows your brand and works the way you want it to. So, we built in the ability to add custom instructions to make sure Active Intelligence knows how you work, who you serve, and what matters to your company. This works alongside the company description in your brand kit. To add our custom instructions, go to the Active Intelligence homepage and click the Customize button at the top right. Then click Instructions. As you can see, custom instructions provide sections to get you started, but otherwise gives you a blank slate, allowing you the freedom to craft your instructions how you see fit. Your instructions are automatically saved as you type, and they can be updated at any time. The first section is Working Preferences. This is how you want to collaborate with Active Intelligence and help you work better together. Our next section is Content Guidelines. These are rules for tone, structure, and messaging. Next is Target Audience. This section tells Active Intelligence who you serve and what matters to them. And finally, Additional Context. This is what makes your business unique. You can add in your products, services, and differentiators, as well as your competitive landscape and positioning. Once you've set up your instructions, Active Intelligence automatically applies this knowledge to every interaction, making recommendations more relevant and content more on brand out the gate. Another feature that will level up your AI marketing is Autonomous Insights. Active Intelligence not only helps you create campaigns and automations, but proactively works behind the scenes to analyze them and provide you guidance. Autonomous Insights surfaces these recommendations directly on your homepage, as well as your campaign and automation overview pages. To act on these insights, simply click on the card. This will start a conversation with Active Intelligence, allowing you to dive deeper into the specifics on how to improve your marketing. This is huge. When we talk about Active Intelligence or ActiveCampaign as another member of your team, this is the true representation of that, as it constantly works behind the scenes to optimize your marketing. Let's take a look at how Active Intelligence makes reporting easier than ever, saving you a bunch of time. So let's ask it to show me my campaign results for my Skakna Football Academy campaign. So as you can see, Active Intelligence was easily able to pull that data up for us. And we can also have it analyze this campaign versus another campaign in the account. Or I can also have it do something like this. Compare my metrics to my industry benchmarks. So now, not only are we reporting and analyzing data of just your own customer account, we're also looking at the gym industry as a whole. To be able to come in here and say, hey, am I doing a good job? Where could I be doing better? This is excellent information to be able to pass over to a manager or a boss or the owner and just say, hey, we're doing a really great job with our marketing, and I can prove it. And once again, we can ask it for optimization. How can I increase click-through rates even more? And just like that, more information that will help a marketer send a better email, get better conversion rates, and hopefully be able to show off to their team even more. With Active Intelligence, you can create dynamic marketing with email campaigns and automations. Customize how you and Active Intelligence work together. Act on autonomous insights to increase your success. And analyze your results with real data related to your own unique industry. And we have so much more coming. Thank you for watching and have a great day.